What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back in the garage with another ST update for you guys. Today's a pretty big mod we're gonna do to the bike. We're gonna make this bad boy from a bone stock lowrider ST to a stage 1 lowrider ST, which what that entails is we got a 2-into-1 pipe. I'll show you that here in just a second. We have a remote tune from Fuel Moto, and we're gonna flash it using a DynoJet Power Vision. So being that the ST came with this nice air cleaner from the factory, that air cleaner is going to be sufficient for a stage 1 and stage 2 application. Once we get up into the big bore kits, you definitely want to have a bigger air cleaner and obviously bigger throttle body. But for this right now, for stage 1, that air cleaner is going to be sufficient. So without further ado, let's hop into today's video. I'm going to show you guys the exhaust that we're going to be putting on the ST, and I'll also be doing a step-by-step install video on this pipe for you guys, get you guys a before and after. This thing literally sounds like a sewing machine right now, bone stock. It's disgusting. Cannot wait to get the new pipe on the bike. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start the bike up and let you guys hear what it sounds like bone stock, and then I'll start it back up once we get the pipe on there so you guys can hear the difference. Alright guys, so what we're doing here is taking off the side panel where your O2 sensors plug into, and it's a 4mm hex bolt to get those off, so we're going to go ahead and take that off now. Alright, so the plug for the rear O2 is right here under this cover, and then the plug for the front one is really easy. It's right underneath here, and it makes it real simple just to pull this out of here. That's how short the O2 sensors are, where like on the baggers they're a lot longer. They run underneath the frame. So make sure you don't cross up the front with the rear, or else the bike won't run right. We're gonna go ahead and unplug those now and then unbolt the pipe and take the stock pipe off. Alright guys, so we just got the stock pipe off the bike, and we're getting ready to mount the new bracket for the Riot pipe by Fuel Moto. Get ready to mount that on here. Alright, so we just got the O2 sensors installed into the header pipes. We got the rear header pipe on already. The rear O2 sensor just plugs in right here. Super easy. And then we're getting ready to throw the front header pipe on now. And then once we get that all buttoned up, we'll throw the muffler on. As you can see here, we got the new bracket that Fuel Moto supplied with the kit. We're gonna go ahead and mount this up, mount the muffler up, and start her up for you guys. And there we have it guys, the new 2-into-1 Jackpot Riot from Fuel Moto installed on the ST. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. I think the pipe looks killer on here. It goes well with the bronze wheels and the bronze emblem in the tank here. I think it looks sick. So yeah, we got the pipe all on here, getting ready to flash the tune and give it its first start. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to flash the bike with the remote tune from Fuel Moto. 21 and up has this new red connector. And we're using a DynoJet Power Vision to tune the bike. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the bike on for power. Then we're gonna go to vehicle program, load tune, custom tunes. So this slot 2 is actually from my mom's Road Glide, and we're sharing the same Power Vision. So we're gonna go ahead and choose slot 4. This tune here is for the new ST with the 117, and then you hit select, and then you hit continue, and then flash. And then this dialog box comes up. You want to hit yes for the fuel trim values to reset the fuel trim values. And now it's writing the tune to the bike. Alright, so now that the tune's loaded in the bike, you want to go ahead and turn the key off and wait 10 seconds before you start the bike. Alright guys, so we got the tune loaded up in the bike. Now we're going to go ahead and start it up for the first time. Alright guys, so we just got the ST home back in the garage. I am stoked on how this pipe turned out. What do you guys think? Do you guys think the pipe looks good on here? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Do you guys like the sound? Do you guys like the way it looks on the bike? I think it looks killer on here, guys. And it definitely sounds really good rolling down the road. It's very loud. It's a lot louder, obviously, because it's a shorter pipe, and that is with the baffle in. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is the 2-in-1 Fuel Moto Jackpot Riot exhaust. I'll put a link in the description below on where you guys can get this exhaust if you're interested in putting it on your bike. They do make this pipe for baggers, for the touring bikes, but I think this pipe fits the ST just right. I love right where it comes out. I like the stainless finish. Definitely ties in well with the bronze wheels and the emblems on the bike. But yeah, I'm stoked with how it turned out. It definitely sounds good. Fuel Moto knocks it out of the park once again. They have a quality piece, quality exhaust, all stainless. Definitely looks really good. Their welds look really nice. The springs give it a nice touch. And then you can see the Jackpot logo on the muffler there. The welds back here look sweet. Just a really cool looking pipe. You can get this pipe, I believe, in chrome and black as well. But yeah, make sure you guys hit up Fuel Moto. They're great to work with out there in Wisconsin. I literally call them up, order the pipe, order the tune. All I have to do is tell them what mods are done to the bike, and they send you a remote tune, and you download it to the Power Vision, then you flash the bike with the Power Vision, and it's literally a 1, 2, 3 easy process. They're very knowledgeable. Every time I call them during business hours, they pick up first ring, and they sit there on the phone and talk to me and answer all my questions I might have. They helped me out with my 128 kit on my Road Glide, and they've also tuned both of these bikes here as well. So this is the first time we've had the bags off the bike. I definitely like the way the bike looks without the bags on there. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Do you guys like the Lowrider ST with or without the saddlebags that come on it? I think it looks way tougher without the saddlebags, but that's my opinion. But just a cool bike, guys. I cannot wait to get on this thing and do some riding. I plan on riding it to bike night this week and putting some miles on it and getting a feel for this new 117 with the new pipe. And so yeah, that basically completes stage 1 of the Lowrider ST build, guys. Stay tuned, I have a lot more parts coming for the bike, but just for now, we're gonna make it a stage 1. One last thing before I close out the video is I talked to Fuel Moto on the phone, and they're gonna send us a bracket that mounts here so that we can run the stock saddlebags, because on the stock saddlebags, if you're not aware, it has this mount, the support bar, I guess we could call it, and this has to clamp on somewhere in order for the bags to have support. So they make a bracket that this will clamp onto. Alright guys, so Fuel Moto just sent us this bracket to go with the new Riot pipe. So for the Lowrider ST, it obviously comes with saddlebags, where on the Lowrider S, which is the same pipe, you don't have to worry about the saddlebags. So you take this stock plastic piece off of the old hardware and mount it onto this new bracket that they supply you. And then we went to the hardware store and got a bolt to put in the existing hole that the stock exhaust mounted to, instead of using the Allen head bolt, because you can't get an Allen wrench in here. So you can get a wrench in there to tighten that bolt up. So that's what we ended up doing. Fuel Moto sends this bracket with the kit. Pretty simple. We were able to put it on there without having to take the pipe back off and without having to take the pipe bracket back off, but that's basically it. It looks factory, you can't even tell. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I have a lot more Harley content coming for you guys. But like I said, that's gonna do it for today, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.